Hi, my name is Mohammed, and we are the team with the UF Virtual Campus Tour. Our seeker is Mr. Charles Murphy, and I have 5 group members, and we all created the UF Virtual Campus Tour experience. Let's go ahead and jump into listening a video of our seeker explaining the problem that we were trying to address.
So our hope for this project was to have some kind of virtual tour that allows students to have the experience of UF without actually being here. We have a lot of students who can't make it up to Gainesville for an actual physical tour, especially with COVID-19. No students have been able to come. So we really wanted to be able to emulate the experience of being on campus and interacting with other future Gators in a virtual platform.
So this was Kat explaining what the problem was that we were trying to address through our virtual campus tour. Now let's go ahead and look at a demo video of what our campus tour actually looks like.
Are you new to University of Florida campus? If the answer to that question is yes, this video is for you. COVID-19 has impacted all of our lives in many different ways, but we do not want our students to miss out on anything. So we have created a virtual campus tour for our incoming University of Florida students. This campus tour is basically built using Mozilla Hubs. In this experience, once you jump in, you get to choose your avatar and look at the instruction on how to use this experience. Once you're all set, you can walk into the main lobby. In the main lobby, there are different resources for you that you can interact with. We recommend you to start with this video. This video gives you details of all different resources that UF Campus has to offer. We encourage you to interact with your fellow Gators in this experience. There are different rooms embedded in this experience that you can jump into. For example, the Rights Union room. In the Rights Union room, you can learn about different resources Rights Union has to offer. You can also jump into the 360 immersive photos, which will show you how the actual building looks like. In this experience, once you are back in the main lobby, you can play different games on how well do you know your campus. Last but not the least, you can jump into our feedback room and give us feedback on how was your experience. Along with this, do not forget to download your Zoom UF backdrop, which you can use in your Zoom calls. We hope you enjoy this experience. Thank you.
Now that you have seen our virtual campus tour, let's talk about some of the behavioral outcomes that we aimed to achieve with this virtual campus tour. Our basically main goal was to give our incoming freshman students an experience where they're comfortable in exploring different resources that the UF campus has to offer, and also encourage them to interact and socialize with the fellow students in this virtual environment. Moving forward, we had a meeting with our seeker to discuss the sustainability plan of this virtual campus tour, and we have discussed on conducting various social events that focused on students with the similar interest groups, for example, similar majors, or students who are seeking similar type of advice, so that we can host an event for them in this experience and let them interact and discuss their interests. We're also planning on embedding different more resources. We right now have 4 different resources embedded in this experience, but we plan to provide all these details to our seeker, and as need be, we might embed more resources to make this experience even more worthwhile. Thank you for listening.